Hey guys, it's Mansell here, and I thought today we'd open up some Kinder surprises, and I have a random assortment, so I'm not too sure what they are, and we'll check out 6 of these today. So we have ones with pink on the top, and we have the plain ones. So I'll just grab 6 out of the packet and we'll go with this one here at the back, one at the very back, another pink one there, and this one, and perhaps this one here. So I've grabbed 3 pink ones and 3 plain ones, so I'm going to start by opening one of the pink ones. And I'll move those ones to the side. Okay, so this looks pretty cool. This one looks like a little alligator. Sorry, I said alligator, but he's actually a crocodile, and this is the pond that he lives in. And we can just pop him in there. And there are 8 in the series to collect, and I really love the look of the panda bear, so I would love to get that one for my collection. So I'll just move him to the side, and we'll see what's in egg number 2, and I'll go with this plain one. And this is one of the Marvel superheroes, and when you press his head down, this dial thing spins around. And there are also 8 in this series to collect. And let's see what's in our second pink one. And it has got a whole bunch of animal stickers, and the crocodile is all scaly. And the swan is made from velvet. And the snow leopard also has bumps all over it. And let's see what's in our plain one, being egg number 4. And this is another Marvel superhero, and we have a little hook there at the back so you can hang it from your bag. And on to another pink one, being number 5. And I just got this really cute pink turtle, and she also has a dark pink shell and a little bow just behind her head. You also get a yellow key, and when you're inserted inside, her shell pops open. And you can store secret notes and other things in this. So I'll just put that to the side and we'll see what's in egg number 6. This is our final one. And our final one is another Marvel superhero, and this is Captain America, and you even get a sticker to put on his shield. And I've just gone ahead and stuck the sticker on his shield. Okay guys, here are the 8 toys I got this time around for my Kinder Surprise opening. And I think my favourite would have to be the turtle. Leave me a comment below and let me know which is your favourite, because I love to hear from you guys. And thank you again for joining me today. Love you guys, and I'll see you same place, same time tomorrow.